Fractional audience, my question is 55 divided by 11 over 5. Those who understand math can solve it in their heads and simultaneously they will find the answer, but mostly people do in the way that 5 and 55 are cancelled, 5, 11, so they will get 11 divided by 11, and 11 by 11, it will be equal to 1, and 1 will be their answer, but that is their mistake, because they have not followed any order of operation, or I will solve it again. 55 divided by 11 over 5. We can solve it according to correct way. So it will be 55. If here would be multiplication, then we can cancel 5 and 55. But now here is a division, so it is impossible to cancel 5 and 55, so we have to change it into multiplication and flip it or revert it. R takes it is reciprocal to find the answer correctly. So we will get 55 as it is divide is converted into multiplication, and this term mean 11 over 5 is flipped to find it accurately. 5, 11 is its flipped value. Now we can cancel 11 and 55, which will be equal to 5. Now the remaining terms are 5 times 5, which will be 25. Hence 25 will be our correct answer. Thank you for your support.